Iodophor cotton boasts high content of iodophor, soft and skin-friendly. Take out the iodophor cotton balls with tweezers. Smear the wound to disinfect and sterilize. Gauze compress cut a piece. Use it to wrap the wound. Prevents secondary damage. Tubular elastic bandage choose. Suitable width the pen cut appropriate. Length according to the wound condition. Strong elasticity and mesh structure. Various specification supply. Cover the wound tightly and breathable. Factory directly supply. Provide custom OEM, ODM.